Hi, here's Szymon Bochniak from Microsoft 365 at work. Today I want to share with you how to use Microsoft Lookbook to deploy SharePoint templates to your tenant. When you're starting the work with Microsoft 365 and you plan to use SharePoint Online to improve the communication and collaboration in your organization, there is a solution called Microsoft Lookbook which could really speed up that process. Microsoft Lookbook is a provisioning service provided by Microsoft which you can use to deploy ready-to-go templates for SharePoint Online and deploy them directly on your Office 365 tenant. Templates are quite complex, very nice looking, and what is most important, you don't have to develop anything to use them, and the whole deployment process took about 2 minutes to set it up. So let's switch to my screen and let's see how you can do that. You will find this solution at address lookbook.microsoft.com and you can use it to deploy SharePoint sites to your tenant. It could really speed up some kind of POC development just to use that kind of solution. Plus you can see what SharePoint in modern approach offers for you from perspective of look and feel. When you will go to the site, navigate to the view the designs and select one of them. You will see that it describes what kind of template you can deploy to your SharePoint Online. You can see it's looking quite nicely and you can add it to your tenant just by clicking on this button. You will be asked to log again on your account. In the next window, you will be able to set who should be informed about end of the provisioning of the site, what should be the title of the site collection, plus what should be the address used on your tenant. You can see that your tenant SharePoint address is already populated here. To deploy that site directly to your Office 365, just select Provision button. After a few minutes, this template will be provisioned on your environment. You can navigate there and you will see how that kind of template could look like on your SharePoint Online. You can see that all graphics, all web parts, the whole setup of the template is deployed automatically in here. It is something that could really speed up your deployment process, especially if you would like to prepare something very quickly, show some demo for the end users or build POC. And what is great here, you have more than 20 templates you can use this way. All of them look great. You can deploy them fully automatically without any additional steps on your site. Or if you're building the new solution, you can start building your own solution based on the already deployed template. It is also something that could save a lot of your time. You saw that deployment of Lookbook templates is super easy, just few steps when you configure when the template should land after the provisioning process. So you should remember that site because this is one of the most useful applications available for Office 365 users, especially from perspective of SharePoint Online. If you will be interested in other useful applications that are available for Office 365, in the description of the video you can find the link to online course where I'm training about another useful application that are free and available for you without any additional costs. Also the whole trainings materials are available for free. If you like this material, leave the thumbs up. If you would like to get notifications about the new videos that will be published on this YouTube channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.